Double booked. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, double booked. This phrase can pop up in various situations, and it's important to understand its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in. Double booked refers to a situation where someone has made two different commitments or appointments at the same time. It often happens accidentally and can lead to a scheduling conflict. This phrase is commonly used in both professional and social contexts. For example, if you've agreed to attend two meetings at the same time, you are double booked. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. I can't attend the 10 a.m. meeting because I'm double booked with another client at that time. 2. We have to reschedule our lunch. I've just realized I'm double booked. These sentences show how double booked is used to explain the predicament of having two overlapping commitments. Being double booked can occur in various scenarios. 1. Workplace, scheduling two meetings or tasks simultaneously. 2. Social events, agreeing to attend two different gatherings at the same time. 3. Service appointments, booking two services like a doctor's appointment and a car service concurrently. Recognizing these situations can help avoid the stress of being double booked. To prevent this issue, 1. Use a planner. Keep a well-organized calendar. 2. Check your schedule regularly. Always review your commitments before making new ones. 3. Communicate clearly. If you realize you're double booked, inform the relevant parties as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Remember, being double booked is a common mistake, but with careful planning, it can be avoided. We hope this video has been enlightening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you next time.